Alex Murdaugh was the most powerful lawyer in Hampton County, South Carolina. His family had controlled the local prosecutor's office for nearly a century. His grandfather, his father, and Alex himself, 3 generations of Murdaughs running the law in a county where everyone knew your name. On the night of June 7, 2021, Alex called 911 and told them he had found his wife Maggie and his son Paul shot to death at their hunting estate called Moselle. He said he had been visiting his ailing mother. He said he came home and found them. He said he had no idea who could have done this. Investigators were suspicious immediately. There were no signs of forced entry. Nothing was stolen. The family dogs were calm. Whoever was at that property, the victims knew them. But the case broke open because of a phone. Paul Murdaugh had been recording a Snapchat video at the family's dog kennels at 8:44 p.m. On that video, you can hear voices in the background. And one of those voices, with its distinctive coastal South Carolina accent, was unmistakably Alex Murdaugh. The problem, Alex told police he had been in the house the entire evening. He never went to the kennels. But his voice was captured on his son's phone, at the kennels, for minutes before the 911 call. When prosecutors played that audio in open court, Alex Murdaugh broke down on the stand. He admitted, for the first time, that he had lied. He was at the kennels that night. He claimed he just forgot. But there was more. Alex Murdaugh had been stealing millions of dollars from his own clients, including the family of a housekeeper who had died in an accident at his home. He had a massive opioid addiction. He was drowning in debt. And 3 months after the murders, he staged his own assassination on a roadside, hiring a hitman to shoot him in the head so his surviving son could collect a $4 million life insurance policy. He survived. And then the full picture came into focus. In February 2023, after 6 weeks of trial, the jury deliberated for less than 3 hours. Guilty of murder. Guilty of murder. 2 counts. Alex Murdaugh stood in that courtroom, the courtroom his family had controlled for a century, and heard himself sentenced to 2 consecutive life terms with no possibility of parole. The judge told him, "I have absolutely no doubt that you love your boys. But I'm also, at the same time, absolutely confident that you murdered them." He was 54 years old. He will die in prison. And in the town of Hampton, South Carolina, the town that bore his family's name for 100 years, the courthouse is still standing. The name Murdaugh is not.